Always remember to wash your hands regularly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Remember to wipe surfaces often. Only leave home if you are healthy. And wear a fabric mask in public, covering your mouth and nose. Don't touch your eyes, mouth, or nose with unwashed hands. And cough or sneeze into your elbow or use a tissue. Keep a distance of 1.5 meters between you and other people. Let's all work together to stay safe.
Thank you for joining us today. This masterclass is a continuation of Module 10 and 11. If you haven't already, please warm up using Module 14 before we start singing. We do not want to strain our voices. Before we start singing, do you have any questions about this piece?
Yes. What position is the best for us to stand in? I like the triangle formation, but I find it hard to hear the other members of the trio.
Great question. Some groups prefer to stand in a triangle and some in a semicircle. It is completely up to you how you stand. However, you do not want to stand in a straight line because that makes it harder for you to hear the other members of the ensemble. Shall we try 2 different positions? We're going to attempt from bar 98 to bar 110. We're going to start with a triangle. And. That's good. How did that feel?
It was okay. Can we try something else?
Yes. Let us now try the semicircle. And. Wonderful.
Now that we can hear each other, how do we make sure that our voices are blending? I think we need to come together more as an ensemble. Can we look at how we can accomplish this?
Absolutely. So on a visual basis, we want to make sure that we are dressed the same or in similar colors. With regards to our voices, some of the best ways to make sure that we are blending is to make sure that our vowels are the same. We use the same dynamics at the same place and very little vibrato. This helps to ensure that the sounds do not clash. Let us try these vowels on the following chord. Good. The first vowel is R. On the word God. 1, 2, and. God. Lovely. The second vowel, A. On the word tell. 1, 2, and. Tell. Lovely. And the last one is ooh. On the word who. 1, 2, and. Beautiful.
What are some good ways to practice as an ensemble to make sure that we blend together?
Unfortunately, there are no shortcuts. You simply need to spend time with the music, discussing these aspects amongst yourselves. The more you practice, the better you get.
But for the beginning parts, where we sing about the different things, how do we make sure that we still focus as an ensemble?
So each member of the ensemble is singing about different parts of the creation. There's mountains and rivers, the birds and the depths of the ocean. When each of you is singing individually, It is a good idea for all of you to be thinking of your individual image and keep the whole creation in mind. Shall we try the entire piece starting with you walking on?
Yes.
Most beautiful happy with her joy unadorned, the gentle sloping is, the gentle sloping is. The narrow senior's face, the still crystal drops. The fountain fresh and bright. The narrow senior's face, distilled in crystal drops. The fountain fresh and bright.
In lofty circles play and hover in the air, the cheerful host of birds, the cheerful host of birds. And as they flying whirl, the glittering plumes are dyed as rainbows by the sun. And as they flying whirl, the glittering blooms are dyed as rainbows by the sun.
Flashing through the deep enthronging swarms, the fish a thousand ways around, a thousand ways around. Upheaving from the deep, they'll immensely violent. Spots on the foaming waves, spots on the foaming waves.
What a lovely performance. We hope that you've enjoyed this masterclass. Don't forget to ask your teachers if you have any further questions. Thank you for joining us.